If you are selling courses but not making money, watch this video. This video absolutely for you. So you have created your courses and post it on Udemy or maybe on your own platform but not making sales. Do you know why? The exact reason behind it, let me explain. I have been working with over 300 plus coaches online. They are in the same phase as you are facing right now, but now most of them are selling courses, making money. Let me find out the issues why your courses are not being sold. Number one, you don't have a proper LMS website. This is the number one. So if you don't have a proper LMS website, you can't sell the courses, because on online system you should have to be a proper LMS website to make your course interactive and visual, so people can buy it. And number two is you don't have any sales funnel ready yet. So this is the most and major thing to make a course to be sold. So you have to build a sales funnel so people can come through the system and then buy your courses. Number three and major point is you don't have any engagement system. So this is really crucial. To selling a course online, you have to connect with your potential customer by email sequences or lead magnet, or even you can open up a few seminar online so they know about you, and then they will make a decision to purchase the courses. So here is a mini story I would like to share with you. This is one of my IELTS client from UK. She was like literally earning around $40, $50 per month in Udemy. He got 3-4 sales per month. So we started from there, and then we set up our own platform for her and make few promotional video and then advertise it through social media by doing ad campaign and targeting marketing. We also set up the email campaign for potential leads. We generate the lead as well. And do you know the shocking result is what happened? Within the 30 days, he got over $1,000 sales. So this is not an amazing story, but this is just a beginning story for making something bigger. So if you are stuck in this phase, I think definitely I can help you to that stage you are aiming for. So I would like to include one more things for you, so you can take note for this. If you are serious about your sales, then you should have to build a proper LMS website with all the automation, system integration, and definitely quiz sequences and interactive lessons, so people don't just buy the courses, they will engage with that. So you can offer more mentorship or even monthly basis subscription with to them. So you need a proper LMS website, and then you need a sales funnel to collect lead from your prospect and then your student. So this funnel is work like a magic. So you got the lead, you connect with them by a lead magnet or email series, and then they will purchase the content courses from you. So this is like a true crucial step for like an e-learning business owner. And then also you should have to make a strategy for marketing. So not only just campaign or email sending, you should have to make a proper strategy for every sales. So if you align with these three things, you should definitely sell your courses more. So don't waste your time by doing other stuff.